Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to cue music in Discord. So basically, you can go to any music, bot like Rhythm and any other music bot. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and type right here, exclamation point right here, and you're gonna just type play, right? And basically, after you type play, you're going to be able to receive a message from the bot that says resuming, right? Resuming that music. And you can just go ahead and enter the exclamation point and type pause if you are listening to that music, right? And the same goes if you want to play another music, you can just type right here, exclamation point, play, heaven or whatever song that you're actually listening to, right? So basically that's it. So that's been on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.